When you first open PowerShell, you'll usually be in your home directory. Your prompt shows you which directory you're currently in, but there's also a command that will tell you where you are. pwd, or print working directory, tells you which directory you're currently in. If we want to change the directory that we're in, we can use the cd or change directory command. To use this command, we'll also need to specify the path that we want to change to. Remember, this path can be absolute, which means it starts from this drive letter and spells out the entire path. On the flip side, it can be relative, meaning that we only use part of the path to describe how to get to where we want to go relative to where we currently are. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So right now, we're in C/users Cindy. Let's say that instead I want to go to C/users/Cindy/documents. What do you think the command would look like here? Here it is, cd C/users/Cindy/documents. And now we've changed to the documents directory. We used an absolute path to get to this directory, but this can be a little cumbersome to type out. We know that the documents directory is under the Cindy folder, so can't we just go up one level to get to that folder? We absolutely can. There's a shortcut to get to the level above your current directory. cd ... Let's run the pwd command one more time. Now we can see that I'm in C/users/Cindy, the parent directory of where I was before. The ... is considered a relative path because it'll take you up one level relative to where you are. Let's go back to the Documents folder and try this again, except this time let's go to the desktop folder using the new command we learned. We know that the desktop and document directories are under the home directory, so we could run cd ... then cd desktop, but there's actually an easier way to write this. cd ... \desktop. Let's check pwd one more time. pwd now shows that we're in the desktop folder. Sweet! Another cool shortcut for cd that you can use is cd tilde. The tilde is a shortcut for the path of your home directory. Let's say I want to get to the desktop directory in my home folder. I can do something like this, cd \desktop. We've done quite a bit of typing so far. You might actually be wondering what would happen if we messed up while typing these directory names. How are we supposed to memorize where everything is and if it's spelled correctly? Fortunately, we don't have to do that. Our shell has a built-in feature called tab completion. Tab completion lets us use the tab key to autocomplete file names and directories. Let's use the tab completion to get to our desktop from our home directory. If I type D and then tab, the first file or directory starting with D will now complete. Now, if this isn't the file or directory that I was looking for, I can continue to press tab and the path will rotate through all the options that complete the name that I started to type. So I'll see desktop, and then documents, and then downloads. Take note that the dot in front of the path of ./desktop just means the current directory. If I erase this and instead type DE, then the only directory that matches is desktop. Tab completion is an awesome feature that you'll be using more and more as you continue to work with commands.